Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revision of perimeter and area, and also we are going to do from and symmetry and patterns. So look at the first question here. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are this. So listen to me. Any figure you take, let it be a triangle or any other figure. If you will find the sum of the sides, that is what we call it as perimeter. So we have 3 bits of over here, so you can find out the perimeter accordingly. Next is question number 2. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle with sides measuring 6 cm. We know that in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. So if we have to take out the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, means we have to add the sides, that is 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 6 cm here. 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 6 cm, like this. Okay, now we come to the next question. A rectangle has a length of 12 centimeter and width of 4 centimeter. Find its perimeter. This is also easy, all can do. Next question, you see, length of a side of a square is 20 feet. What should be its perimeter? See, if you know the length of the side of the square, means obviously its perimeter will be 4 times of it. Next is the edges of a bedspread, that is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide, would be stitched with lace. How much lace is needed? Again, it is related with perimeter, you have to take out. So these type of questions are there. Here is a different question, you can see here. A school club has a swimming pool that measures 22 meter by 16 meter. The authorities went to build a steel railing around the pool and leave 10 meter space between the railing and the pool for a deck area. How much railing will be needed? So in this kind of question, you can see, first of all, we must know that it is a rectangle piece. That is why the measurement is given as such. How the measurement is given? This, so the swimming pool, it is in the form of a rectangle where the side of the length is given as how much? The length is given as 22 meter and the breadth is also given as 16 meter. So this much is clear from the figure. Now you see they are building a railing around you know, there will be a railing and with the uniform width, that is of 10 meter. This is the 10 meter width railing you have to build. 10 meter width. Now now you have to take out the how much railing will be needed. Means you see what is the length of the railing will be needed, means you will get a new length and a new breadth. See, if the length is if the breadth is increased by 10 meter on one side, then from the other side also 10 meter. Similarly, length also, if it is increased by 10 meter on this side, then there will be increase of 10 meter here also, this side also. So we can say the length will be 22 meter plus 20, so that comes to be 42 meter. And the breadth will be 16 here, then 16 plus 10, 10 plus 10, that is 16 plus 20, so that is coming to 36 meter. So when you got the length as 42 meter and breadth as 36 meter, now you can easily take out what is the perimeter of this. So that comes out to be 2L plus B. So that is equal to 2 into 42 plus 36, that is equal to 2 into 78, that is equal to 156 meter is what you are going to get the answer. So I hope this is clear to everybody. Now coming on to the area related questions here, you see a square rug has sides measuring 7 meter. How much area of the floor will it cover? This is very easy. You know that 7 into 7, 49 square meter will be the area. What is the area of the rectangular room which has sides 15 meter and 8 meter? This is also very easy. How much area will be covered by rectangular plot of area with breadth of this much and length of this much? Rectangular room, this much needs to be carpeted. If the cost of carpet is rupees 50 per square meter, how much will it cost to carpet the whole room? First to take out the area and you have to multiply that area with rupees 50. Then you will find out the cost of the carpet. The next question here is you have to find out the length of a square garden whose area is this much. Just simply we know that area divided by length will give you the breadth. Sorry, you have to find the length, then area divided by breadth will give you the length. Here you have to take out the length. So area, here also you have to take out the length of the rectangular field. In this case you see it is a square garden. You know that length and breadth are equal. So area divided by one of the side, and you know that side into side is equal to 100. Side into side is equal to 100. So what into women, both the numbers should be same. So we know that 10 into 10 is 100. We know that 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So what is the length? The length has to be 10 meter. Therefore the length has to be 10 meter. Now let us come to the next question. Find what is the length of the rectangular field whose area is this much and breadth is this much. Area of the room is 36 square centimeter, breadth is this much, what is its length? So these all questions are very simple, you all can do. Now coming forward with the questions based on symmetry and patterns, here you have to take the objects which show symmetry. Here there are some objects which where the line of symmetry is actually dividing the object into two equal parts. You can have to just see, means where you can fold and the object along the line, and where all the sides will overlap with the other side. So that you have to see, check. Here you have to draw the line of symmetry for the given objects. Coming forward to the next questions, you can see here what you have to do in a notebook. Write the letters of the English alphabet with vertical symmetry. Okay, with vertical line of symmetry, what are the English alphabets? With horizontal line of symmetry, what are the English alphabets? With both vertical and horizontal symmetry, what are the English alphabets? Then you have to see, draw rough sketch of the following in your notebook. See, a scalene triangle, a rectangle. See, scalene triangle is a triangle whose all the sides are different. And equilateral triangle is all the sides are equal. So roughly you have to just draw the triangle, and you have to draw the lines of symmetry accordingly. Circle will have infinite line of symmetry. Which of the following figures show reflection symmetry here? This you have to see. You can see this letter Q and this Q. This shows reflection symmetry. B is also showing. This also showing. This also showing. Okay. So almost like all the figures are showing reflection symmetry over here. Okay, but basically when we see here between B and C, reflection symmetry means along this line of symmetry, which is where you are going to place the mirror, both the objects and the image must look equal. As you can see in the letter Q, this line is facing this side and this line is facing the opposite side. So this is showing lateral inversion. So this cannot be reflection symmetry. So no, this is not. Again you see this letter B, this is also not showing reflection symmetry. Then you come to bit B here, this is showing reflection symmetry. This is showing reflection symmetry. But what about this P? Here you see it is also not showing reflection symmetry. It is facing this side and this P is facing that opposite side. So this is also not showing reflection symmetry. And C is also showing reflection symmetry, and F is also showing reflection symmetry. So wherever you will find the object and image both are equal, means they are showing reflection symmetry to you. Draw the mirror image of each symmetrical shape. So this you can do it very easily.